Let's dive into delegates in C# and see how they allow us to pass methods as parameters and handle events. A delegate is a type that represents a reference to a method. It allows methods to be passed as parameters and invoked dynamically. Here's the basic syntax to define and use a delegate. In this example, message handler is a delegate type that matches the displayMessage method signature. We instantiate the delegate and invoke it to call the method. Delegates can be used with multiple methods. Here's how you can chain delegates. Here, the notify delegate is used to call both notifyBmail and notifyBisms methods in sequence. Delegates are often used for event handling. Here's an example of a simple event system using delegates. In this example, the publisher class uses a delegate event to notify subscribers with a message. Delegates provide a powerful way to pass methods and handle events. Implement them to enhance flexibility and modularity in your applications. Discover how events in C# can help you build dynamic and interactive applications by enabling components to communicate. Events in C# are a way to provide notifications to other parts of your application when something happens. They are based on delegates and are used to implement the observer pattern. Here's how to declare and raise an event. In this example, notifyEventHandler is a delegate that defines the signature of the event. The publisher class has an event notify and a method raceEvent to trigger the event. To handle events, you need to subscribe to them and define an event handler method. In this example, subscriber defines the onNotify method, which is subscribed to the notify event of the publisher. When raceEvent is called, onNotify is executed. Events are useful for decoupling components. For instance, in a UI application, you might use events to handle user actions like button clicks. Here, the button class has a click event that is triggered when the button is clicked. Events in C# provide a powerful way to handle dynamic interactions in your applications. Use them to build flexible and maintainable code. Explore how to effectively use collections in C# like list and dictionary to manage and manipulate data. A list is a dynamic array that can grow in size. It provides various methods to add, remove, and manipulate elements. In this example, we create a list, add elements to it, remove an element, and then iterate through the list. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs, where each key is unique and maps to a value. Here, we create a dictionary, add key value pairs, access and remove elements, and check for the existence of a key. Lists offer powerful methods for data manipulation, like sorting and finding elements. This example demonstrates sorting a list and finding an element based on a condition. Dictionaries are great for fast lookups and can also handle complex operations like value modification. Here, we update a value in the dictionary and iterate through all key value pairs. Using collections like list and dictionary can greatly simplify data management in your C# application. Leverage these tools for efficient data handling. Discover how LINQ in C# allows you to write concise, readable queries to retrieve and manipulate data from collections. LINQ, or a language-integrated query, is a powerful feature in C# that allows you to query data from collections, databases, and XML in a way similar to SQL. LINQ has two main syntaxes: query syntax and method syntax. Let's start with the query syntax, which is similar to SQL. Here we use LINQ to select even numbers from a list. The from, where, and select keywords define the query. Alternatively, LINQ can be written using method syntax, which is more common in functional programming. In method syntax, we use lambda expressions to filter data. In this case, we use where to find even numbers. LINQ can be used with any collection such as lists or arrays. Let's extend our example to find the sum of even numbers. This shows how LINQ can make data manipulation easy with methods like sum. LINQ simplifies working with data by providing a flexible, SQL-like querying experience in C#. Start using LINQ to write more readable and efficient code. Learn how to filter and sort data in C# using LINQ for efficient data management in your applications. LINQ's where method allows you to filter data from collections based on a condition. Let's filter a list of numbers to find only the odd ones. We're using the where method to filter out odd numbers from the list. LINQ's orderB sorts your data in ascending order, while orderByDescending sorts in descending order. Here, we first sort the numbers in ascending order with orderB, and then in descending order with orderByDescending. LINQ allows you to combine filtering and sorting. Let's filter for odd numbers and then sort them in descending order. In this example, we use both where and orderByDescending to filter odd numbers and sort them in descending order. With LINQ, filtering and sorting data is straightforward and efficient. Apply these techniques to manage your data more effectively in C#. Learn how to use anonymous types in C# to simplify your code and create flexible data structures. Anonymous types in C# allow you to create lightweight objects without explicitly defining a class. They're great for temporary data storage or passing data between methods. Let's create an anonymous type with a few properties. Here, we define a person object with two properties, name and age. C# automatically infers the type. Once you have an anonymous type, you can access its properties like any other object. You can easily retrieve the properties using the dot notation. Anonymous types are especially useful when you need to return complex data without creating a full class. For instance, in link queries, you can project data into anonymous types. In this link query, we create an anonymous type with number and square properties, which makes it easy to work with the result. Anonymous types are a powerful tool in C# for quick, flexible data structures. Use them to simplify your code when defining a full class isn't necessary. Want to group multiple values together without creating a class? Learn how to use tuples in C# to simplify your data handling. A tuple is a lightweight data structure in C# that allows you to group multiple values of different types into a single object without creating a class. Create a tuple that holds a name, age, and email address. This tuple holds 3 different pieces of data. We access the values using item 1, item 2, and so on. You can easily access tuple elements by their position. This lets you access each item in the tuple with item 1, item 2, and item 3. To make your code more readable, you can name the tuple element. Now you can refer to the tuple elements by their names, which makes the code much clearer. Tuples are a great way to group multiple values together without the need for complex data structure. Use them to simplify your code and make it more readable.